कोवर्कर है एक, लाइक ही इज गोरा, ठीक है। उसको देखना है कि तुम्हारा इंडियन कल्चर कैसा होता है। आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Absolutely.
Let's go. Call this as Gurudwara.
Gurudwara.
Yeah, Gurudwara.
Gurudwara.
And after that we'll be having langar. लंगर, ये है गुरुद्वारा। बहुत छोटा सा, मैं भी फर्स्ट टाइम आ रहा हूँ। ये कह रहा था कि अगर मैंने सही से नाम नहीं लिया तो मेरे को बाहर ना निकाल दे। It's kind of respect. You know, this is known as deg. You can have plate, you can eat whatever you want. That's fine. You want more? That's good. If you want more, then you can come back, right?
Yeah.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Perfect. You can use spoon. Spoon too. तो भैया वो स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो ना, वो वेपन्स पड़े हैं। तो भाई ये हमसे पूछ रहा है, एक बंदा आया वो कहता कुछ और चाहिए है ना, उसने ऐसे पूछा, ये डर गया, कहता कि भाई मेरे कारण कुछ कह रहे हैं। तो भाई हमारा इतना अच्छा रहा ना, उसको
Really enjoyed the food. The food was fantastic. The food.
काजू कतली।
Kaju. Okay.
Kaju Katli.
Say that.
Kaju.
Katli.
Katli. Vertical. It's not what it means.
Oh. Yeah, this one.
That's the one.
This is what we are
That's the
wearing.
squad.
हाय एवरीवन, गुड इवनिंग, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। क्या हाल चाल है भाई? वेदर इतना अच्छा हो रहा है, इतना अच्छा वेदर हो रहा है ना। आई थिंक ये आज वैसे है मंडे, बिकॉज आज है वैसे मंडे और ये लास्ट वीक है भाई, इतना सनी सनी का। इसके बाद सर्दियाँ शुरू हो जाएंगी। एंड आज का दिन भाई बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल है। क्यों? क्योंकि जो भरत है उसका कोवर्कर है एक, लाइक ही इज़ गोरा, ठीक है, और वो हमारे घर पे आया है। एंड ही वॉन्ट्स टू कि भाई उसको देखना है कि तुम्हारा इंडियन कल्चर कैसा होता है, या तुम क्या क्या करते हो क्या नहीं करते। ही वॉन्ट्स टू यू नो सी दैट, सो ही इज़ देयर। तो भाई यहाँ पे आया है, उसको मैं आप सबसे मिलाऊंगा, थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल करूँगा। वैसे तो बहुत चिल बंदा है वो, उसको बट थोड़ा सा व्लॉग में कंफर्टेबल एक बार हो जाएगा, मेरे को पता है खुल जाएगा वो। तो उसको दिखाएंगे सारा कुछ भाई। हम सबसे पहले जा रहे हैं गुरुद्वारे में, गुरुद्वारा उसको दिखाएंगे फिर, क्योंकि हमारे सबसे बैरी में नियरेस्ट गुरुद्वारा ही है, तो वहाँ पर जाएंगे। और उसके बाद फिर हम कहीं घूमने फिरने जाएंगे, थोड़ा उसको घुमाएंगे फिराएंगे यहाँ पे, बिकॉज उसको वो उसको चाहता है कि इंडियन फूड ट्राई करना, इंडियन कल्चर देखना। सो वी ऑल्सो लव टू यू नो शो दैट। तो बस यही सीन है, आज उसको ही दिखाना है, ठीक है, सारा कुछ जो भी कुछ करना है। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको उससे मिलवाता हूँ, रुको। Are you comfortable now?
Yes. Yeah.
So guys, he is Brian. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi everyone. So he is little bit shy right now,
Warm
right?
up a little
So
bit.
right now we are going to
Georgian Mall.
Gurudwara. First we are going to Gurudwara.
Okay.
Temple, you know.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll show you everything around there, and after that we'll go to Georgian Mall. Are you excited?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's go. ये मेरे को कह रहा था कि भाई मेरे को ना थोड़ा बता देना कि कैमरे में कैसे कैसे करना होता है। So I am just telling him, but I think थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, चिल हो जाएगा। So let's go.
He is doing his blog in Bai language.
By language, because you know my audience is both Hindi and English.
Yes.
So
Okay.
that's why a little bit. Whatever I'm telling you, I'll explain that same thing in Hindi too, right?
I got you.
Yeah, have a seat. Have a seat.
That I would not do it while you were filming.
No. You can say like have to be chill.
Coach me through. Understand? I'm trying my
No.
best.
Yeah. Just ask me. Just ask me whatever you want to.
You can say whatever.
Whatever you want to do.
He will fix it.
I'll fix everything. You know, at the end it's up to me.
Okay.
So, whatever you
I'm
want
not
to
used
ask-
it. I'm not used to it.
No. Be comfortable. Whatever you want to ask, just ask me.
Okay. So name of the temple is
Like we usually call this as Gurudwara.
Gurudwara.
Yeah, Gurudwara.
Gurudwara.
Yeah, Gurudwara.
Gurudwara.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gurudwara.
Yeah.
Okay.
So where we are going now?
Gurudwara.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Perfect, you got it. And after that we'll be having langar.
Langa.
Langar.
Langa.
Where we'll eat food, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's langar.
To experience new cultures.
Oh, yeah.
Really cool.
You will definitely love that plan. I am pretty sure.
I think so.
I'm also coming here for the very first time.
Okay.
I've never been here, yeah.
So Brian, so it will be easy for you. Just read those. What it says.
Gurudwara.
Gurudwara.
Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib. It's like.
But it's like too long. You know, just say it Gurudwara.
Just
That's it.
Gurudwara, yep.
Yeah.
But they're not going to ask me to. they're not going to be like, "Hey, you're not saying it correctly."
No.
It's too
We are with you, so
Get
you
outta
don't need
here.
to worry about it.
No. They understand that, Brian. Even that.
I'm sure that they will be happy seeing you, you know.
Okay.
This.
So you know,
Yes.
yeah. Just close this. And we'll be wearing, you know, one cloth here. It's kind of respect.
Okay.
Yeah, that's okay. Perfect.
Good.
Yeah, perfect. Let's go.
Yeah, I also close this so that way you will look Great.
Yes.
Let's go. It's not mandate, like to
Yes.
closing all these
It's-
buttons,
it's
but
a
it's kind of
respect.
respect. So yeah, but it's pretty good, you know. It's kind of nice location. बहुत सुंदर लोकेशन है और ये है गुरुद्वारा. बहुत छोटा सा है, मैं भी फर्स्ट टाइम आ रहा हूँ. मौका बन गया क्योंकि ये आ रहे थे साथ में, तो हमने कहा चलो हम भी चलते हैं. सो लेट्स गो इन. ये कह रहा था कि अगर मैंने सही से नाम नहीं लिया तो मेरे को बाहर ना निकाल दे. मैंने कहा नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि हम साथ में हैं. बट चलो भाई देखते हैं कैसा रहता है एक्सपीरियंस.
And if you have stocks on, so take stocks on.
Shoes and socks both.
So after we take off our shoes, just put it wherever you want.
So we have to wash our hands. But you know, in India, it's like whenever we go to Gurdwara, before entering, we have water here. So that we can, you know, put our feet there, wash
Yeah.
it and everything.
Yep.
So yeah, but it's not here. So we have to just wash our hands.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's it.
This one, no? Just put your hand over there. That's one.
Cap is not allowed, yeah.
Yeah.
Just wear this one.
Always wanted to wear one.
Like,
I have faith in you, Bhagwan. I have faith in you. I have faith in you. How's
It suits you.
Suits?
Yeah.
Orange is the
You look
color.
good.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah. It's kind of respect.
Yeah.
You know, we have to cover our heads.
Yes.
Yeah.
You look.
Yeah, you look cool, bro. Yeah, let's go. वो थोड़ा कॉन्शियस हो रहा है क्योंकि है ना वो पहली बार आया, बट अच्छा लग रहा है उसको भी, है ना. So the thing that you are watching on the screen, it's like what's going upstairs, right? They are doing you know, religious, they are chanting religious thing, and it's upstairs.
That's going on.
Yeah, that's going on upstairs. And here in this hall, the thing I told you, langar, right? Langar I told you. So we will eat langar here. We'll eat langar here on this. We'll sit there and we'll eat. So we'll go upstairs, we'll bow our head in front of that, and after that we'll come downstairs. We'll sit there for 4-5 minutes. We'll come back and we'll have langar here. So it's main darbar. It's like main thing, right?
Yeah.
So we'll go here. Yeah. Let's go. Oh, यहाँ पर लिखा है turn off phones. I think I have to turn off my phone. But let's see. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. You know, this is known as deg.
Deg.
Deg. Yeah, this
Deg.
is deg. So yeah, it's sweet.
Tastes almost like a grain.
It's like kind of grain, you know, sugar and everything. But it's like after you bow your head there, and after that they'll give you this one.
So it's a few different things, right?
No,
It's
just they'll give you this thing only.
Okay, but this is like a mixture of a few ingredients.
Few
Is that-
ingredients, yeah.
Yeah,
So
it's good. I
it's
like
good?
it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, have that first.
have that one. It's like kind of, I think, little sweet for you.
Yeah.
So this is, bro, langar hall where, you know, we'll eat food, right? So like this is for us. It's totally free. You don't have to pay anything for this, you know. So like you can have plate, and it's like you can eat whatever you want, right? Yeah. So that's for you. यहाँ पे phone तो कर सकते हैं ना?
Okay, so just come over
Just come here.
and show to him, and he will give us something.
So this is chapati. Have you ever tried chapati before?
So just give a little bit, just like one.
One. If you like, it's okay. If you don't, then we'll take. Don't worry, right? You can have this here, like this. Yeah. So, ये क्या है? चावल?
Yeah.
So this is rice.
Sweet rice.
Yep, that's okay. Yeah, I should be okay with that.
Okay. And this one is?
Curry, just like a curry.
No, it's like potato something. You know, gravy potato. Yeah.
That's fine, or you want more?
That's good. That's good.
That's good.
I'll start
If you
with
want more, then you can come back, right?
I'll start with that.
Okay.
So, yeah, just have a seat. Just have a seat here. Take it easy. Take it easy. Perfect. Do you like this one? No, don't say because camera is open. If you like it like this, then it's fine. If not, then also it's fine. You know.
For sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
No, I'll
yeah,
give
yeah.
you my honest
Yeah,
take.
you
I
know,
actually like.
You know how to eat this? Yeah.
Yes, Bhagwan will show me. I think.
You can use spoon. Spoon too.
Bread, if you
Yeah,
want.
yeah.
Like you can use spoon
as much as you are comfortable.
Just take it easy, you know.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Perfect.
If you throw anything on floor,
Don't worry.
Don't say anything else.
We are with you, right? Take it easy. Just relax and enjoy. That's it. You don't need to worry about anything, right? That's it.
No, I appreciate you saying that. It's one of those things you want to make sure that.
No. Take it easy. Take it easy. Yeah, take it easy. Everything, you know, because this is new for you, right? Like you never been
And they
here
understand that.
before. Yeah. Like the guy was standing there. He was saying like it's too good. You know, you are bringing your friends here. Like
Okay.
he was so happy to see you.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. So just enjoy your food.
Yeah.
You love this one, like
It's good.
chapati,
Yes.
potato, rice.
So I think I had one of these either that Bhagwan brought in or then.
Oh, yeah,
brought in,
Bhagwan.
so it's
Yeah.
So I've had it before, so it's familiar to me. But a lot of the eating that I actually do at my house, kind of Indian style. It's a lot of rice. It's a lot of beans. It's a lot of different curry flavors and stuff like that.
Do you want anything else, bro?
I might have a little bit more of this.
Okay. Bhagwan, do you need something? I think first we need to wash hands, right? But he told me that just wash your hand and put whatever you want to do.
He said that.
Yeah, he told me. So ही पहले हाथ धोने पड़ेंगे और फिर लेना पड़ेगा because self service है. Because you know if you want to take again, then we have to first wash our hands and then.
Just before we serve it?
Yeah. Then we can take. But in our case, like he'll wash our hands and he'll put in our plates.
He'll serve for us.
Yeah, so he'll serve us, right? Perfect. तो भाई अभी हम अपनी प्लेट रिफिल करके लेके आए हैं एंड इसको पसंद आया सारा कुछ, दोबारा इसको अच्छा लगा. तो भैया वो स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो ना, वो वेपन्स पड़े हैं. तो भाई हमसे पूछ रहा है कि मतलब इसका क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है ना, क्यों सिग्निफिकेंस है, मतलब इसको इंटरेस्ट है. तो फिर कह रहा है कि भाई कितना अच्छा है कि एंशियंट टाइम भी एक तरह यहाँ पे है ना, लोग नीचे बैठ के खाते हैं और मॉडर्न टाइम में वो कैमरा लगे हुए हैं, वो सब है कि सब मिक्सचर है, काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. से अभी हमारा ये हो गया है और अब हम चाय पियेंगे. एक्चुअली क्या है कि भाई पंजाबियों की थोड़ी टोन ऊपर ही होती है ना, कुछ मतलब लाउड बोलते हैं. तो एक बंदा आया, वो कहता कुछ और चाहिए है ना, उसने ऐसे पूछा, ये डर गया, कहता कि भाई मेरे कारण कुछ कह रहे हैं. तो
You're okay with that, or you want tea?
दिस इज टी.
You want sugar in it?
इट्स हॉट.
It's like cashew sweet.
It's good. Have a seat. तो भाई हमारा इतना अच्छा रहा ना, उसको भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. जैसे पहले तो स्टार्टिंग में भाई नर्वस था वो, बट उसका क्योंकि नया था उसके लिए भी, तो कह रहा था कि यार कोई मेरी वजह से हर्ट ना हो जाए, कोई कुछ ना हो जाए. बट आफ्टर दैट उसको अच्छा लगा सबसे, मतलब लोग भी जो वहाँ पे थे ना, मतलब उसको अच्छा लगा मिलके, सबको देख के अच्छा लगा, उसको खाना भी अच्छा लगा. तो अब उससे उसका एक्सपीरियंस पूछते हैं. वांट शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस?
It was cool. It was.
Brian is happy. Brian
Interesting.
likes
I really
food.
enjoyed the food. The food
Enjoy.
was fantastic. The food
Yeah,
was
come this side,
fantastic.
come
The
this
peop-
side.
Yeah, the people were all really cool too.
People are
Like,
all cool. I know.
Very welcoming. Of course, yeah, I was certainly nervous at first.
A little
Like,
bit.
First time being
thing
in there,
is,
I
you
thought I
know-
was going to get in trouble, do something.
No.
dumb, But no,
They are very
these
chill,
guys
you
were
know.
great. These guys were great. Everybody in there, yeah, very
But
good.
he loves the food.
It was good. Yeah, I could go back in and have some more.
Indian food, but he likes that, you know. So
How was your overall experience for about Gurudwara, like Indian temple?
It was very. I think I liked everything there. The tea was really good, surprisingly good.
Tea. I know.
With the cashew thing. that
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have,
It's like
It is
cashew
pronounced
sweet.
Kaju.
Kaju.
Kaju katli.
Kaju. Okay.
Kaju katli. Say
Kaju.
that.
Say that.
Kaju.
Katli.
Katli.
Kaju.
Kaju.
Yeah, kaju katli.
Katli.
Yeah, katli.
Kaju. Katli.
Yeah.
Katli.
Katli.
Yeah.
Katli.
Kaju katli.
Kaju. Katli.
Yeah.
Kaju. Katli.
No, kali.
No. Okay.
Not kali. It's kaju katli.
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 Yeah, put more emphasis on, you know,
On the
katli.
T.
Katli.
Katli.
Tea.
Katli.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Katli.
got it.
Okay.
Katli, yeah.
Yeah, overall is fine. Okay.
It's good, yeah.
It's
Do you have any caution?
what stood out there? I just kept thinking I was going to do something wrong. Like just
No, no, you
mess
did-
something up. But no,
you didn't did anything wrong.
But they also knew that you were new to them, right?
It's my first
So-
time there,
yeah,
so likely
so-
I'm gonna do things not perfectly.
Yeah. But you did everything so perfect that you haven't done anything wrong there.
It doesn't matter.
So you don't need to worry about.
If you're coming like second time and if you did any mistake, they are not gonna do like say you.
Not-
They're just gonna teach me.
Not even after if you come after 1,000 times also. If you did something wrong, then that's okay. You are a human being, right? So भाई उसको ना बेचारे को टेंशन हो रही है कि यार मैं कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर दिया वहाँ पे. तो मैंने कहा नहीं भाई कुछ गलत नहीं किया, कुछ नहीं किया गलत, सब सही किया. Because उसका भी नया है भाई, first time है. So you know that's why.
They are like too much kind, Brian.
Yeah, no.
They all are kind, you know.
Yeah, very kind, very well.
Yeah.
The thing is,
So guys, now we are going to Georgian Mall. Actually, Bharat needs to buy a new mobile phone, so we are going there. तो actually guys, हम ना वैसे ही थोड़ा घूम फिर रहे हैं और हमें बेस्ट बाय पे थोड़ा कुछ लेना था सामान, तो हम वहाँ पे चल रहे हैं और मैं और ब्रायन हम दोनों घूम रहे हैं भाई यहाँ पे.
Looking for one I could play with.
Which color do you like the most?
Like
This one is 17. I think this
outside of it.
color, yeah.
Like the orange is kind of nice. I end up usually going for just black or silver.
Black.
With everything.
I think
yeah.
17. In 17 there is no black color.
No,
It's like
okay.
this one orange, blue, silver, and one more.
Okay. Yeah, no, I have a pretty old. Well, it's not that old. It's an Android.
Oh,
like
it's
a few
Android.
years old.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. This one is new color. This
So
one.
this is what Bhagwan was trying to get, right? The,
Yeah, but
the
but he don't want orange one. He want blue one.
oh Brian, don't.
Okay.
Do it again, bro.
Vertical. It's not letting me.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay.
Leave that for now, Brian.
Happening. It was a good idea.
So now actually we are going to Halloween store. So it's there, you know. तो इसका मन था जाने का, तो हमने कहा चलो चलते हैं. ये है हेलोइन स्टोर. इनका त्योहार है भाई, कुछ इसको अगर लेना है तो ले सकता है यहाँ से. सो बट अपने को तो क्या ही लेना है यहाँ से. इसका मन था, मैंने कहा चलो चलते हैं.
Turn your dreams into nightmares.
ये क्या है, पागल चल. वो रेस दे रहा है अंदर से. ये बढ़िया चीज़ है भाई. What's this?
Just come over here.
Oh. What is this?
Are you scared?
Yeah. See, have a seat.
Well, with this guy.
He's a birdie.
Yeah, he's my buddy. Yeah, we've had a long night.
Let's go. Oh! The fuck is this? Shut up. He's calling you, bro.
Oh no, he's not calling me. He's calling this guy.
Which one you want to be?
I'm gonna be the bacon. Oh no, Bhagwan will be the bacon. I'll be the egg.
Hot dog. Oh, this one suits you, bro. Try this one.
It's
Ah,
Not bad,
Yeah,
man.
not bad, not. Wear cap with this, bro.
I gotta.
That one.
This
Wow.
hair. Now I need a haircut. The hair is gonna be the problem with the.
But it suits you, you know. Yeah. You're looking like kind of Master or something. Master Gogo. You know Master Gogo?
No.
Oh. Yeah, this one.
That's the one.
Yeah.
That's the one. Is that?
You look good in this, you know.
Oh, what?
So guys, see. This is what we are
That's
wearing.
the squad.
It looks like popcorn basket, you know? The popcorn basket one. But it suits you. Let's click one photograph. Spirit Halloween. So दोस्तों हम आ चुके हैं बाहर और लेना तो क्या ही था, बस ऐसी चीज़ें ट्राई करके हम आ गए वापस और it was good and yeah, it's time to go now. Let's go. बढ़िया था, मतलब अपने मतलब का तो कुछ नहीं था, but इनके साथ तो था, मतलब इनको अच्छा लगता तो इन्होंने ले लिया.
And even that I will also share some clips from.
Yeah, it's you know, it's kind of memory
For sure.
If we see this like after 1 year, it will be like, oh my god.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, my mom always took pictures, so many pictures. When
Yeah,
I was growing up, and
I
was
also
always
love
like,
to do
"Mom,
that."
chill." But I'm so happy to have them now.
Yeah.
Like, as an adult, I'm so happy to have those pictures.
It's great. ये देखो भाई कितना बड़ा मतलब हेलोइन के लिए टेंट लगा हुआ है, मतलब यहाँ से लेके ये सिर्फ टेम्परेरी है, जब तक हेलोइन है तब तक ही है, और बहुत बड़ा है ये, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है भाई, इतना सामान, और लोग लिटरली ले रहे हैं अंदर, ऑब्वियसली इनका त्यौहार है तो ये ले रहे हैं, ठीक है, बट ये बंदा हमारा बिल्कुल चिल है एंड ही इज़ एंजॉइंग, उसको अच्छा लग रहा है भाई घूम के, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली यार एवरीवन नीड्स फ्रेंड, ठीक है, सबको दोस्तों की ज़रूरत होती है, और उसको भरत के साथ वो काम करता है तो उसको अच्छा लग रहा है ऐसे घूम के आके देख के।
Hey guys.
Yeah, bro.
That was a really good time.
बाय ब्रो,
Yeah,
हैव अ
bye.
गुड नाइट। लो भाई हमने उसको ड्रॉप कर दिया, अब हम चलते हैं आगे, और हमारी हो गई है बस भाई। ओए, मैं तो भाई सो गया था पीछे, उसको उतार दिया। चलो भाई अब चलते हैं घर पे। गुड नाइट दोस्तों, अगर आपको व्लॉग अच्छा लगा तो ज़रूर लाइक कमेंट शेयर करना। बाय बाय।